Hello, folks. Ford has confirmed that the four-door Wildtrak Broncos is going to come with a soft top for the 2022 model year. Now, the Wildtrak trim has only been available with the hard top for the 2 and the 4-door units. Now, the hard top prep kit is going to be included, and previously standard on the mold and color hard top. It's going to be an option. So, the awesome news is yes, the Wildtrak that is, with the soft top, is now standard on the 2022 model year. Enjoy the video, folks. The 2022 Ford Bronco includes a Wildtrak soft top model. Now, deliveries of the Ford Bronco have been delayed thanks to a global semiconductor chip shortage, affecting even the German automakers that had massive stockpiles of the chips not long ago. Now, nevertheless, Bronco is a hot commodity now, folks, and everyone wants to get their hands on one. It's a beautiful, stylish, retro off-roader that looks just fantastic. Now, while some are still waiting to receive their Broncos, Ford got to continue the next model year variant, that is. And according to recent reports from Bronco Nation, the 2022 model is about to get some changes. Most notably, the Wildtrak trim. The first edition is the most expensive model for 2021. But hey, you can't get that because it's all gone. So what's new? Will the 4-door version of the Wildtrak is not going to get that canvas top as standard. Now that's going to be an appearance effort to remove all the complexity and constraints. However, the 4-door Wildtrak will still come with a prep kit for the hard top that will now be optional. Now, the 2-door Wildtrak will stick with the molded in color hardtop, though, and the feature is being redesigned after a number of quality complaints from customers who saw blemishes and things that were wrong with it, folks. When the roof was exposed and due to humidity and extreme weather, extreme hot, extreme cold, it's particularly hot. Now, the pricing of the now optional roof on the 4-door Wildtrak, nothing has been confirmed, but you can expect to learn more as the 2022 model year begins to approach us. Now, while we wait, we also know that the Black Diamond and the Badlands variants will be getting a new front bumper. That will be the default option of the heavy-duty modular bumper. Ford has named this the Capable bumper. So we hope it lives up to its name and stays capable, as we could say. Now, it's fabricated powder coat steel. It also has a brush guard support, a spot for the beautiful winch in case we get stuck and we need to get help and help our friends get out of a rut. Steel badge plates in case we bang our SUVs against some hard rocks, and recovery points in case we find ourselves in a, as we could say, in a crazy compromised situation. In fog lights for when we can't see at night. Now, if you want one of these, but not getting the Black Diamonds or the Badland edition, it can become an option across the whole lineup for the 2022. So it's nothing much to worry about. This Bronco is just awesome, folks. You're talking about $28,500 for the base model and $59,305 and perhaps up for the first edition, which is sold out. This SUV is off the chain, folks. Fits right into the sports utility segment, an off-roader going toe-to-toe with a Jeep Wrangler. And it has been on the market since I guess it left the market in 1996 and now is back. Yes, it is back. 5 generations run with the new Bronco. Now it's in the 6th generation and has one purpose, and that's to take a lot of Jeep Wrangler fans. What an awesome, awesome SUV. And yes, the Wildtrak soft top model is now included, folks, for the 2022 model year. And this is just fantastic news. Very, very fantastic news for awesome SUV with a beautiful exterior design, great performance, great fuel economy, interior and cargo, infotainment features, reliability, yes, safety, and value for the money, even though it hasn't been crash tested by the National Highway Safety Administration, or what you say, NHTSA. But still, made out of boron steel, everything about this is just fantastic. And look at the upgrades and the possibility that you can get with it. That's what makes this SUV straight up awesome, folks. It makes it nice. Talking about the base 2-door, $28,005, the base 4-door, $33,200, the Big Ben 2-door, $33,385, the Big Ben 4-door, $35,880, and then Black Diamond 2-door, $36,050. Awesome, folks. Just awesome. Just straight up fantastic. Beautiful colors from Rapid Red to Cactus Gray to Oxford White to Velocity Blue Metallic to Race Red. And it's just awesome what people are going to be doing with this SUV. Notwithstanding, the Ford Bronco continues to remain hot property. Yes, it's one of the hottest new vehicles to arrive this year. Despite the delays and a few quality issues, the off-road SUV is off still to an incredible start. And it's amazing, folks. And it's growing and growing. And Ford is really evolving. And when I say evolving, I mean they are addressing the issues, fixing the issues, and trying to make the brand stronger and stronger and stronger. So they're moving in the right direction. And that's a good thing. A good thing. And it shows. And it shows as these stories begin to progress and as Ford begins to change and evolve and making changes and fixing product and helping customers and going out the way to make sure that we are happy with our new Broncos. Over 70% of the Ford Bronco orders are still coming outside of Ford. And it's still moving in a fantastic way. Even though a lot of Broncos are sitting, waiting for the roofs to be fixed before they are brought to customers, which is a good thing, folks. Who wants broken items? We would rather have the SUVs fixed, and we would rather have them working properly when we take them into our driveways, when we get them off the showroom floor. And it's awesome that the 2022 Ford Bronco Wildtrak includes a soft top model. That's a good thing, folks. It's really good. And it's awesome. The black diamonds and the Badlands are going to be getting a new front bumper. That's going to be a default option over the current heavy-duty modular bumper. And Ford has named that bumper called the Capable Bumper. And we know for sure, and we hope and we keep our fingers crossed, and we know Ford's going to do whatever they can possibly do to make sure that it lives up to that name, Capable. I mean, just look at this. The stitching, the HVAC system, all the controls, everything look like it's made to last. And that's a good thing, folks. That's a really good thing. That's a good thing to know. Now, the two-door Wildtrak is going to stick with this molded in color hardtop. And the feature is being redesigned after a number of quality complaints from customers, which shows that Ford is evolving and changing, folks. That they are evolving and changing and making sure that everything is working splendid. What an awesome SUV. Just look at that, how it goes over any terrain and how it can go through 30 plus inches of water and just keep wadding forward. This is just awesome, folks. Awesome and fantastic, folks. So guys, thanks for watching. Yes, the 2022 Ford Bronco range includes a Wildtrak soft top model. Yes, for 2022. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for being a part of the AO Automotive Reviews family. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching, sharing, and subscribing. And have an awesome and fantastic day. Much love. And again, thanks for coming by.